DoorLoop saves me a lot of time, allowing me to spend more time doing other things. My name is Debra Sever. I'm the broker and owner of Sever Consulting and Management Group. We are located in Ackworth, Georgia. My company specializes in sales, leasing, and property management of commercial properties. We have about right around 18 to 20, and we are growing. The problems that I previously had were stressful because I would always have to pick up the phone and call my bookkeeper. People would text me, they would call me, they would email me, and so it was just very confusing. I needed a more streamlined way of communicating with my tenants. I heard about DoorLoop from a colleague of mine, checked it out, and gave them a call. My favorite DoorLoop feature, I love reconciliation. It's so streamlined and it's so easy. The one piece of advice I think I would offer other property managers and landlords would be definitely to check out DoorLoop. I'm able to streamline everything, being able to look online, everything that I need is there, whether the tenants have paid, whether they have maintenance requests. Instead of looking everywhere, I have one central location to look, and DoorLoop has all the information and all the reports that I need.